Okay, trader. So usually each day I try to put out a screenshot of a clean chart setup that we called or traded in chat. With notes trying to explain the setup. And as most of you probably know, we've got a couple free webinars out about trading inflection points, parts 1 and 2. So we got 2 webinars out there, totally free. Go watch them. I think it'll give you an insight into a little bit of what we do every day. But I thought, you know what, I'll make a short video to explain the PYX call in chat today because it relates directly to those free webinars. And this is actually easier for me than creating the screenshot and putting all the notes in. So PYX was on a chart because if you traded yesterday, I'll pan out a little bit here. PYX, showing you 2-minute candles here, it was like the strongest stock in the whole world, right? This is what it did all day yesterday. Today it opens up a little bit down, sells off, rips out the high of day, but then falls over, takes out the low of day. I didn't take it off of a chart because I knew this thing had a lot of shorts in it, and if it gave any kind of a setup, it might give a little mini squeeze again, right? So what happened? There's no setup here. And everything you're looking at, to me, there's no setup, but it did do this nice volume move up to and hit 23 to the number. So now I'm interested. I wouldn't have wanted this to break 23 when it came straight from below 22 in 6 minutes, maybe 7 minutes. I wouldn't have taken that. But sellers came in right here, topped out at exactly whole number. PYX has actually been a very good whole number inflection point trader, right? So when sellers came in and pushed it down a little bit and it started to curl back up, Wayne and I were both on the mic and we both agreed we liked it over 23, right? Why? Not just because it's a whole number break, but a few other reasons. One, because sellers came in here trying to knock it down. I also like the intraday in the fact that it gapped down, took off, and then goes to the low of day. This had to be sucking in some shorts thinking, yeah, PYX was a 1-day flash in the pan, it's done, and they're, maybe it's bouncing and shorts are even averaging higher here, right? Because there's no way PYX is going to run again today. The run wasn't justified. I'm getting you into the mind of some of the shorts. It's a crap company, whatever. Their financials look terrible. So there's no way this is going to break the high of day. So maybe, I think the fact that it ran and took out the low of day, in short, I'll give you the short version, I think sucked in some more shorts, right? And there's a lot of shorts in this name anyway. Okay, so couple that with the fact that it hits 23 to the number, possible whole number inflection point, then does a pullback. Now I really like it. I think shorts are probably saying, oop, lower high, it's going to roll over now. And then the next thing you know, it's curling right back up. So Wayne and I on the mic, we both call this long through 23. But not just because of everything I said. Couple that with the fact that there's a high of day break just above 23.50, right? So if this gets through 23, we might just rip through the high of day, which is where shorts are really going to have to cover. And yesterday's high above that at 24.38, which is pretty far away still. So here's what happens. There's the 23 break. Then we get the high of day break. And then people start chasing it through 24. And that might have been it for the day. I don't know. But if you're a day trader, and you get long right here, you know how much money there is to be made in this move. At least one catalyst and really another potential catalyst just above. We love taking entries with potential catalysts above, especially when we've got shorts trapped, right? So really nice trade today. And let me know. Put comments down below. Let me know if you'd rather see these in video format.